Hi friends, welcome back to SS Technical Services on YouTube channel. Today we'll understand the basic causes for troubleshooting of engines smoke emission. This video enables you to diagnose complaint quickly and repairs in lowest possible time. It contains the sequence of checking possible causes, checkpoints, and possible corrective action to be taken for all known complaints and probability of occurrence causes of complaint. So friends, watch the video to understand basic of the troubleshooting described herein and improve your knowledge and develop the skill. Friends, here are some causes and the solution. How to solve engine black smoke problems. So first we'll go for black smoke emission. The causes are number one, closed air filter, choked fuel filter, and obstacles in fuel lines, etc. So check thoroughly and replace the defective one. Second one, flushed or worn carbon filter injectors. So remove the injectors and check properly, send for pressure test and as well as calibration. Third one is unequal pressure from FIP and injectors. So get fuel injection pump and injector service done. Prior fitment fuel injection pump, check the correct engine timing and also install injectors, well clean the bore and the sleeve. Fourth one is MAF sensor and computerized system. So check the computerized system with a diagnostic tool and MF sensor, as well as if you found any one defective, so restore it if required. Second one, the cause of white smoke. The difference between white smoke from exhaust with diesel and petrol engine. Number one cause, malfunction of fuel system is the most probable reason that cause white smoke from exhaust with diesel engine and the petrol engine. Friends, white smoke needs special attention. It may lead to other serious problems with the engine. If don't fix this on time, it is recommended to maintain and take care of the engine regularly. Check properly fuel system and restore if found defective. For more details, already I described in previous video and slide also. So another reason of white smoke have been described in this slide. So how to solve engine white smoke problem? Number one, water is getting into diesel fuel and entering the combustion space. Faulty head gaskets or cracked cylinder head or block. So check properly all the components and parts. If found any part is defective, so restore it or replace the defective one. Second cause, closed air fuel filter, poor fuel quality, incorrect injection timing and worn time gear. So check all these parts are restored or replace as necessary. Replace timing gear, refit at the correct timing. Third one is compromise crankshaft keyway. So remove the vibration damper and check properly the elongated portion of key and the vibration damper bore. If found any one of the defective, so replace with new one. Another cause, the low cylinder compression due to compromised walls, cylinder glazed or worn and sticky piston rings. So thoroughly inspect and replace the damaged parts or components. Another cause, cracked cylinder head. So remove the cylinder head, completely disassemble and check every part. For example, wall seat, wall guides, surface, each and everything. After cleaning, send it to pressure test and head crank to be done. Before fitments, please take care of every component should be mounted at the specific level and the particular place. It is recommended to maintain and take care of the engine regularly to reoccurrence avoid for repeat failure. So friends, I hope you understand this chapter. So stay tuned and share it if you like. I invite your suggestions and the comments as well as additional information which will enable me to upgrade tutorials. Thanks, have a nice time and best wishes for the happy Diwali to all of you. Take care. Thank you very much.